Incorporating pressed flowers is a great way to preserve your plants that you observe outside in your local area. This serves as a beautiful addition to your pages. To prepare your flowers for pressing, you will need 2 sheets of paper and plant material. You will start with 1 sheet of paper and then lay your favorite natural materials in 1 layer on the page. Make sure to lay it as flat as possible so that all the plant parts show when flattened. Next, get your other sheet of paper and lay it on top of your bottom sheet. Get a heavy book to serve as your base and set your 2 sheets of paper on top of it. Then finish off with another book directly on top to sandwich your papers between. If you place the book halfway or at an angle, you will leave some flowers exposed and they will not press properly. Put this aside for at least 3 days before you use the flowers. The longer you keep them pressed, the better. In this example, I am using plants that were pressed for 14 days. I incorporated my flowers into my nature journal by going to a new page and writing a header that states, "Flowers collected and pressed on May 15th, 2020. You can add additional information like weather conditions on the day of collection, location details, or any other observations you want to take note of. I then glued my flowers to the page along the bottom half. I wrote down the names of the plants that I collected. If you are stumped on identification, consider using a resource like a plant guide through your local plant society or a collaborative source like iNaturalist to find names. With that, you have completed another observation in your nature journal. You can also use pressed flowers to decorate a page completely or to record more findings.